Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're talking about the 2TB Inland QN446 SSD.
A potential game-changer for those needing a serious storage boost in compact devices like the Steam Deck or Asus ROG Ally.
Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the key features and specifications of the Inland QN446.
This SSD boasts a whopping 2 TB capacity in the M2 2230 form factor, making it perfect for those tight spaces in portable systems. It utilizes PCIe 4.0x4 interface for lightning-fast data transfer speeds, powered by the Phison E21T controller. And with 176-layer Micron QLC flash memory, you're getting ample storage without breaking the bank.
Now, let's talk performance.
The QN446 delivers impressive sequential read and write speeds of up to 5,000 MB per second and 3,200 MB per second respectively. And with 480K, 750K random read and write IOPS, you can expect snappy responsiveness for your gaming or productivity needs.
But it's not all sunshine and rainbows.
As with any QLC-based SSD, there are some trade-offs to consider. While the performance is sufficient for most tasks, sustained performance may lag behind TLC alternatives. Filling up the drive to capacity could lead to some performance issues. However, given its form factor and capacity, the QN446 offers a compelling solution for those in need of high-capacity storage in a compact package.
Now, let's talk about the build and design.
The QN446 features a single-sided design, perfect for devices like the Steam Deck or Asus ROG Ally. And while it may not come with flashy software or accessories, its efficient and cool running performance makes it a solid choice for those on the go. Wrapping things up, the Inland QN446 is a worthy contender for anyone looking to upgrade their portable system storage. With its generous capacity, compact form factor, and competitive pricing, it's hard to ignore the value it brings to the table.
Just be mindful of its QLC limitations and you'll be good to go. That's all for today's review, folks.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews.
Until next time, happy gaming and stay tech savvy.